Philippines, this is B and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the things that I'm bringing with me to the trip to the Philippines. By the time you see this video, I'm already in the Philippines, so these are the ones I decided to bring with me in terms of my life books. So to start off, we have the Traveler's Train passport size. This was released back in 2022. I got this after my first TN. And for the inserts inside, we've got the clear cover. So I cut this in half and then put this ones in here. And then for now, it has the pencil board. And then I have the cloth. This one is part of the B-sides and rarities, if I'm not mistaken. We have a plain research insert. So this is just to put in some notes. This one, super lightweight paper, is used for morning pages. And then we have the insert that came with this one. So I just leave that one in. And then finally, the fourth insert is the weekly, Passport Weekly. I actually use this in conjunction with my Hobonichihon, but because I'm not bringing that with me, I just bring that where it has all of my appointments, because I'll be doing a lot of errands, and when I do that, this will be the one that I'll be using. Next, we have the Travelers Airlines. So this is also part of the limited set. So if you're wondering, I did not get the Travelers Hotel. Anyway, this one I am bringing with me because the inserts that this one has are again with the clear insert, and then we've got another one. This one I didn't cut in half. And then we have the vertical weekly. So this is the dated one. And then the insert that came with this TN, basically I mainly use this as whenever I travel, I just put entries in here. So basically any of my boarding passes and all that, self-explanatory. And then I have the craft insert. I got this when I attended the stamp caravan at Stickerific, and then it's just here like on both sides. And then last but not the least, I have the sticker book insert, and only 3 for this one. I could actually just bring just this for my trip, but because I do have a bit of time in terms of the errands that I'll be doing, because there's a ton of paperwork that I need to fix. And usually with that instance, there's a lot of waiting time. And I'm using that opportunity to be able to update things using this one. Or if I don't have this with me at that time, it'll be this one, vice versa. You know what I mean. And then last but not the least, the 5-year. This is the 3rd time that I'm actually bringing this with me on the trip. Usually I bring the 5-year techo if my trip is more than a week. And the reason why I'm bringing this is because I don't want to do backtracking. Like, yes, I have these two to update whatever is happening during that trip, but I want to be in the moment when I jot things down. Because one of the other reasons why I'm also going back to the Philippines is because I'm also attending a concert. It's actually my first time attending a K-pop concert. And if you've been following me on socials, that would be IU. So this one, the contents of the 5-year, I don't really share online since this is very private, because this is raw and unfiltered. And usually if I want to be very, very detailed, I utilize the other side of the page to put in my thoughts and all that. So I have 3 that I'm bringing with me for my trip. And then the ones that has the accessories in terms of the stationery and whatnot, it's all housed inside this baum-kuchen and TSL collaboration pouch. So you can get this from baum-kuchen's website, And the name of this is Engineer Pouch 2, if I'm not mistaken. And the difference is this is in equivalent to, I think, pouch number 4. And inside, there are 2 pockets, which you won't see in regular versions for TSL. And then the name of the color is called Sumi, which is like black on black paint. And then inside, I have my Instax. And then I've got like the clips. And I decided to bring this one. So whenever I do notes, go to the gym or whatever, I just have this handy. So if I update my weeks or other life books, this is like a good indicator for me, since I have to pick and choose what are the things I'm bringing. And as much as I'd like to bring the whole kitchen sink during travels, I cannot. So I actually like created like a capsule or a travel kit, if you may. And then I have the Midori correction tape. So this one is in cream color. And then I have another cartridge. This one actually goes to my Traveler's Factory. And in case that one runs out, I just have this. And usually during my travels, if I bring cartridges, it's always placed in this one. So for whatever reason, because it leaked or whatever, it's contained inside. And then for the pens, I've got 2. So this one is the Muji fountain pen. It has the Lennon Toolbar ink, which is the waterproof. This is solely going to be used for the 5 years, since I'm bringing that one with me. And then the other pen is the Twisby. Initially, I inked this up with Vinta Plume or Salimbay, but because the nib is fine, it actually clogged, so I cleaned. And then instead, I just used Sailor Nikonayagi. Then we have the Kokuyo dot liner, and then I also brought the glue version as well, so whichever of the 2. And then I also got 2 washi tapes. These are from Yohaku. And then I have the Shachihata ink pad. So this one has 3 colors, and it's called Snowscape. So it has the colors gray, blue, and navy blue. Because the lid is a bit loose, I just used the box that came with it. And then for the inserts, I got 2. So I have the short trip, and then the other one is the accordion. So these 2 are like my what if in terms of documenting this travel. So I couldn't decide which of the 2, so I just got them both. And then I also have the Dodolulu Matchbox. I've repurposed this to just house some cutouts of the pet tape. And then last but not the least, I have the Toyo Steel Toolbox. So this one is the collaboration with Traveler's Factory. And then inside, it has the rubber stamps that I decided to bring with me. So these ones, and as well as for these, are from Kuro Kinki. And then this is Novi Production. This white one is from Muni Muni Stamp, Nurette, Eric, Travelers Records, and then Elsie. So these are all of the things that I'm bringing with the trip. If you have any questions or anything at all, just comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.